Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how I was able to minimize my loss trading the NASDAQ today. Now starting off, going into the day, there was really two key levels I was watching. I wanted to see a liquidity sweep before I'm going to execute on anything. For me to take a trade, I either need to visit a higher time frame area or a liquidity sweep. One of those two, high time frame PD rate is what I'm trying to say. So going into the market, as you see, all we did was kind of accumulate. We're in search and destroy, right? We take these highs. I do think we'll visit London lows. I think it's just going to chop to get there maybe. But I do think price is going to go there, so that was my draw. My bias was London lows. Now going into the morning, we come in, we open up around right here, right? So market open pushes us up, which is nice, right? Price is kind of ugly around here. Pushes us up, we come back down, we push up again and create another internal SMT, which I like to call my stop rate. So now we have our internal SMT and our stop rate. So now I'm ready to enter a trade, right? But okay, so now I have my higher time frame things met. Now what do I need to meet on the lower time frame in order for me to enter a trade? I need to have a change in the state of delivery, which is essentially just a break of structure. So I want to see a 1 minute change in the state of delivery at least, especially after the internal's taken. So our change in the state of delivery is going to be marked right here. As you see, we get a nice bearish closure underneath, and then we tap back into it. Now, at that same time we tap back into it, this was the closure here. This would have been, right, 937. Let me check. Yeah, so I was just a little delayed. I had some bad things happen this morning, so I'm a little mentally not there, but was still able to recognize this. And so we get our nice stop rate, our nice change in the state of delivery. So now what do I have to do? I have to find an entry model, right? So I see we inverse this right here. And once we inverse this, I assume price is going to fall. And what do we do? So I don't get in right at the tap. So I enter here. I think if I'm logged in, I can show my execution. Why isn't it show? Because I didn't trade on this. I traded on the here. Let me delete all this. So it's the same things overall. Right, this is our stop rate. Let's remark this as our stop rate. As you see, I enter right here, which was at the gap down, which kind of gave me a bad fill. Don't get me wrong, I know it's a bad fill. Should have been better on my entry, but I wasn't. Right, so we come back, tap that, 938, we tap that. That one, I wanted this to be my entry, right? This was my A plus entry. The tap of that inverse, and I was just gonna have my stop right there or like right here. And then I was targeting, these lows, and then on top of that London lows. So I was looking for something like this, but I was okay with adding on after that because I just added once we did get confirmation. So it kind of changes the trade a little bit, but not severely much to be super mad. I'm not blaming my bad entry for being the reason I did get stopped out, but I think it definitely doesn't help. So we get this nice push down, and then we also leave these equal lows, which was kind of weird to me. I didn't like leaving those lows there, right? So then we come back up, and it's like, where are we coming back up to? I understand that we came back up into discount, but there's nothing in discount for us to come up to, right? There's not a 1 minute imbalance. We've already tapped the 1 minute change in the state. There's really no reason for us to revisit this area overall. So that makes me want to trail my stop. I wanted to see this move push us down fastly, essentially, and it didn't, but that's okay. So as we are moving down, I'm trailing my stop, and once we get a nice push down, I put my stop at this high right here. As you see, we get displacement up, stop me out, which is fine. I'm okay with being stopped out here. Now, I like to look at my trades I've taken, so I got a very, 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 very minimal loss here. As you see, we come down, come up, come down. It's not the most efficient price action either. We're at all-time highs. I think this is a great trade overall. Minimize my loss to $40, so basically break even. Keeping those small losses very small is key in this world. But yeah, I think that I'm not mad at it all. I'm very happy with it overall, actually. I think it happens. I mean, I'll never be mad at having a nice stop loss get stopped out, not early necessarily, but more of a like in the instance of I still have the correct draw, but price action just isn't the most efficient right now, so that's kind of why we're struggling to buy down or buy up. Now, will we eventually? Yes, we will definitely see London lows here. I think we'll see it in this session here, but I missed the move. It's okay. I minimized my loss, and that's all that matters. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Appreciate all the support. You can join my Discord link in the description. Thank you.